Hello and welcome back to our encrypted.co guide. Today you will learn how to send your first encrypted message with Outlook encrypted.co. Before we can start, we have to set a few things up in the preferences. In the General tab, we set a tick on Show Password after sending an email. We can also set a default password, but I am going to leave this blank. Next we go to the Default Texts tab. Here we can set the header as well as the footer of our encrypted emails. I am going to put some custom text in here, as well as in the PDF text field, which is only shown when we are encrypting attachments in our email. I am saving our settings with OK. Now we are ready to encrypt our first message. Click on New Email. This will open a new window where you can enter the recipient, the subject, as well as the message itself. I am also going to add an attachment. After you are finished with your email, you should see a padlock icon on the upper right side of this window. Click on it to open the attachment settings for the email. Select your password. You can either enter a new password, use the default password, or use no password at all. I will select a new password for this message. If you want to have a randomly generated password, you can click on Generate to get one, but I am going to set one myself, and that will be test written in capital letters. Next I am going to set a tick on Combine Attachments into Single PDF and another one on Convert Text to a Protected PDF. I continue with OK. Double check your email and then send if you are ready. The recipient will receive something like this. An email with a custom text that we have previously set in the preferences. An attachment will be there as well. All we have to do is to open this attachment with our default PDF viewer, which in my case is Microsoft Edge, and enter the password, and there we go. Our previously encrypted email is now decrypted, but wait a moment, there is still something missing. Where is our attachment that we put into the email? Well, as it turns out, you can only open attachments within PDF files if you use the PDF viewer called Adobe Reader. Just go ahead and install it, it's free. After we have installed the Adobe Reader, we can open our encrypted email. We yet again enter our password, and on the left side there should now be a paperclip symbol. If you press it, you can manage your attachments within the PDF. For example, you can open and save it on your computer. Congratulations, you have learned how to write your first encrypted email with encrypted.co.